In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Venn diagram in WPS Office. In this walkthrough, you will see how easy it is to create a clean and fully customizable Venn diagram directly inside your document. This method is useful for comparisons, presentations, schoolwork, or any document where you need to visually show relationships between ideas. To begin, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. We will use shapes to draw the circles for the Venn diagram. Click on the drop-down under Shapes, and from the Basic Shapes section, select the Oval option. Now, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then click and drag on the page to draw a perfect circle. Holding the Shift key is important because it keeps the shape evenly rounded. Once the first circle is created, click on it, then make a second copy using Copy and Paste. After pasting, move the second circle and align it so the two circles overlap evenly in the middle. This overlapping area represents the shared section of the Venn diagram, so make sure the positioning looks balanced. Next, we will add text. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Click inside the first circle and type the text you want. By default, the text box has a background color. To make it transparent, click on the text box, then click on the Fill Shape Color option and select No Color. This removes the background fill. The text box will still have an outline, so click inside the text box again, go to Shape Outline, and select No Line to remove the border. Resize the text box as needed, then copy and paste it. Place one text box in the overlapping area and another inside the second circle. Update the text for each section so it matches the meaning of your diagram. Now let us adjust the circle colors. Click on the first circle, right-click, and go to Format Objects. Under the Fill option, choose a color, such as green. Click on the second circle and choose a different color, such as blue. You will see a transparency slider. Increase the transparency to around 60% so the overlapping area is visible. Apply the same transparency to the first circle as well. If the circle outlines do not look clean, click on a circle, go to the Line or Outline option and change the color to black. Repeat this for the second circle. If you prefer no fill color at all, you can click on each circle and select No Color under the Fill options. At this point, the diagram elements are separate, so we need to group them. Press and hold the Shift key, then click to select the first circle, all text boxes, and the second circle. Once everything is selected, right-click and choose Group. You will now see a single box around the entire diagram, allowing you to move it anywhere in the document as one unit. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.